To my knowledge, the first oral argument that Justice Amy Coney Barrett had in a death penalty case after she joined the Supreme Court right before the previous president, Seventh Circuit. So these sketches are sort of a brief moment in time of the lawyers, at least, after COVID. There was no public allowed in, whereas ordinarily a court hearing is a massive undertaking. No, they do not bring them into the majesty and grandeur. Mr. Ramirez was convicted of capital murder, killing someone in the scope of a robbery. He stabbed to death Mr. Pablo Castro, who was taking out the trash and was able to steal only $1.25 from Mr. Castro. That certain liberties be afforded to such citizens. No criminal history. He served in the military. I guess he was discharged. I mean, I don't think we were unsuccessful in our last two lines of attack today. The Board of Pardons and Paroles, an arm of the governor's office, denied the request for clemency. And then separately, I had filed last week with the presiding state district judge, Bobbie Galvan in Oasis County, a motion to withdraw the death warrant on the grounds that there were some various procedural defects, and he ruled against us earlier today. So as we sit here now, there's no appeal pending that would stop Mr. Ramirez's execution on Wednesday night. Bodysuit, long bulletproof vest. They had guards in every door. He was probably the second most aggressive questioner was Justice Alito, who doesn't rule. We live in a democracy. Democracy can be messy, but if you have a law that's been passed by those overwhelming margins, signed a law by the president, every time one of these cases goes up to the Supreme Court, there seems to be this sort of landslide effect in favor of religious liberty. I think that's something that needs to be taken into account. There's a reason why that result obtains. That is what society has chosen to do through its democratic institutions. And then the quill feather, I don't know if you know about that, those are those cases. So I was able to grab one from